Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV22. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV22 has no power at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning motor or a faulty battery connection. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further damage or even complete failure of the vacuum, rendering it unusable. To tackle this repair effectively, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor specifically for the Dyson SV22. Let's begin the repair process. First, ensure that the vacuum is unplugged. To open the Dyson SV22 safely, locate the screws on the handle and the base. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing, being mindful not to damage any clips holding it together. Now, you will need to locate the motor, which is situated near the top of the vacuum. Inspect the connections leading to the motor, as these can sometimes become loose or corroded. If you notice any issues here, you may be able to fix the connection without replacing the motor. However, if the motor itself is faulty, you will need to extract it. To do this, carefully disconnect any wires attached to the motor, making a note of where each wire connects. It's crucial to be gentle during this process to avoid damaging nearby components. Once the wires are disconnected, you will find additional screws securing the motor in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and gently lift the motor out of the housing. Take your replacement motor and reverse the process to install it. First, secure it in place with the screws you just removed. Then, reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached and in the correct positions. Now that the new motor is installed, carefully reassemble the casing of your Dyson SV22, making sure all clips snap back into place and the screws are tightened securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the vacuum's pathway. Keeping the motor and battery connections clean can also help prolong the life of your Dyson SV22. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.